this is Vlad here, and welcome to lesson 36. In this lesson we'll go through the basics of using layers, and that's it. So let's start. The first thing you'll notice, if you ever use Photoshop, this might be very familiar, is that you can see layer here. Unlike Photoshop, objects are not created on separate layers, but reside on the same layer. So what we can do with a layer? First, we can hide it or make it visible. Now, in order to better illustrate, let's make some shapes here. Okay. So, as you see, we got 5 objects on layer 1. Now, we can make new layers. So just create a new layer, and that's it. Of course, you can move between layers, and the order does matter. You can hide them, and let's say we make one of them red, and let's make a few colors here so we better get an idea what's going on. And then let's take this one. You can select by this, and it shows what is selected. You see 2 circles instead of 1. And let's put it above the red one. Now, since layer 2 is above the red one, which is in layer 1, the yellow shape stays on top. Now, if we drag layer 2 down, you see that the red shape stays on top, which is according to this. The red one is on top of the second one. So stacking order is important. Also, you can create sub layers. So if you select a layer, you can see that you can create sub layers, and you can move things here as well. So let's make a couple of new ones. And you can go on like infinite. So you don't have to, you're not stuck with making sub-layers on the first layer. Think of this like grouping. Unlike Photoshop, you don't have folders for layers. So this is the way Illustrator does it. Okay, we got the idea. Now you can delete the layer by simply dragging it. And that's it. Now let's say we got those shapes, and we can make a couple of copies. So, and we got those shapes. Let's move one here and one here. And let's say we want all those to be in separate layers. Maybe we want to make something in After Effects, or we want to keep everything separated like we have in Photoshop. We go here to this small button, and besides the new layers, the new sublayer, duplicate and delete, we can collect a new layer, and there we go. Or we can release 2 layers. Now every shape will be in a new layer. You can also, let me select this, release 2 layers, build, which is a similar idea, but this time there will be 1 less shape for each. So if we go again, sequence, and build. We also got the option to make templates, hide others, lock, and panel options. So let's see what panel options does. We can show layers only, make large, or set a size. So let's say 50 pixels. And there we go. You got bigger layers. You can see them better now. Okay, one other thing I want to show you is that you can lock them like this. And everything in the layer will be locked. Or you can lock them individually. You can also press, hold, and drag. and we can hide or make visible multiple ones simultaneously. Same for locking. Very easy. There's one more thing I want to show you, and this is we can move easily selected shapes, all of them in different layers. So just click the blue dot, hold and drag it, and there we go. We moved everything to the second one. The same way we can move appearances, so we can apply the same effect to multiple shapes. Okay, that's it for this lesson, and see you next time. Thank you.